I'ma head out then.
Yeah. You get more, bro? Yeah.
Hit me the plate, it was cutting off while ago.
I was getting you a hard time.
Yeah, I said I let it cool off a little bit. Let's see what it
Hey, you were riding out through here bumping yesterday, I seen you. what you running here, man?
For the FI motors, but PSI baskets and soft parts.
Yeah, yes, sir. You stuffed this thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's the best way to do it. Put a lot of them in a little bit of space.
Everybody said it couldn't be done, so I had to do it.
That's what they tell you. They always gonna say, you can't do it, you can't do it.
Ain't no 418s in there. All right, watch this.
It's gonna play.
Ain't no sun this time where she's gone.
Alright, good seeing you, man. Still rolling? Yeah, it's still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, alright? You hear me? I sure appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.